this is Champ. Champ's got a problem with pulling back or setting back, or like my dad used to say, sucking back. You know, what happens is when we tie him hard and fast to the rail and something upsets him, he pulls back. Everybody's seen that. It's very common. I'm gonna show you now about the only way that I've found to permanently fix this problem. Now, if you halter brake your weanlings properly, you'll never have this issue. But this horse just came into us recently. He came in with this problem, and so I'm just gonna show you about the best way that I know to remedy it. By the way, I learned this from Clinton Anderson. Props to you, Clinton. I don't know if you came up with it or you picked it up from somebody else, but works great. So there's Champ. Here's a 20-foot lead rope tied to his halter, and it's just wrapped around that top rail, all right? Now they make that blocker tie ring, works pretty good. I understand, I've never used one. I just do it this way. And so all I'm gonna do is wrap that thing around where there's a little bit of friction. I'll hold on to the end of it. And basically I'm just gonna try to spook Champ and get him to back up, right? You see his problem that he has right there? I'm intentionally trying to spook him so that I can show him that not only is his impulse going to be unfruitful because he's not tied off hard and fast, but it's a lot of work for him, right? So then I'll bring him up and I'll do it again, right? You see right there already, it's getting a little bit better. I saw him licking and chewing, which I like. That's really good. I bring that back up tight again. I'll come back in here, and I'm not going to be real aggressive. Oh, that was perfect right there. Good job, Champ. Good job, buddy. We'll just pet him with that flag and tell him he's doing good. Okay?